Looking at me journey, you see the scars of a king. We no value the glitter, we no value the bling. Man a ancient architect building soul out of stone, establishing a kingdom and a spiritual throne. We no walk with the shadow, we no run with the pack. Once we step on the path, we never look back. Knowledge is the fuel, discipline is the spark, guiding the spirit to the deep and the dark. Success is a mountain, you have to climb till you bleed. Planting the wisdom like a heavenly seed. Hustle in the darkness, let the light be the goal. Man a master of destiny, captain of soul. Iron sharp, now man a warrior, man a sage, writing new history on a golden page. Foundation solid like a mountain in the sea, unlocking the greatness, setting every spirit free. Rise from the ashes, never bow, never yield. Harvesting the power from the battlefield. Defending the assassin. Watch this lyrical technician, mission with intuition, breaking every barrier and mental inhibition. Observe the trajectory, feel the moment, solving the riddle till we find the optimum. We no follow the fashion, we no follow the trend. We follow the legacy that never can end. From Portmore Harbor to the mountain plateau, everything we touch, yeah, it bound to go grow. Man a lyrical swallow, master of the rhyme. Step into the shadows, transcending the time. Solid like a diamond, sharp like a blade. At the theater of life will never gonna fade. Precision in a movement, power in a thought. Practicing the lessons that the hardship have taught. Life is a furnace, it melt the weak, but it temper the strong, it favor the sick. Stay solid, stay sharp. Looking at me journey, you see the scars of a king. We no value the glitter, we no value the bling. Man a ancient architect building soul out of stone, establishing a kingdom and a spiritual throne. We no walk with the shadow, we no run with the pack. Once we step on the path, we never look back. Knowledge is the fuel, discipline is the spark, guiding the spirit to the deep and the God. Man lion, not a sheep, the promises we keep. The mountains are steep, but the vision is deep. We no drift, we no sleep. Wisdom are the treasure, beyond every measure. We build for eternity, not for the pleasure. I am eternity, not for the pleasure. None love.